So on today's episode, we are doing a diamond accent wall here. As you can see, I've got about 5 diamonds made. The angles at the top here, 30 degrees, 60 on the side. Gives you a full 360 degrees to enclose your diamond. Ignore the colors on the wall. We're trying to find a good color to pick for the baby's room. But yeah, I'm about, I don't know, a third of the way done with the wood. And then we gotta do some wood filler, some sanding, caulking, and then painting, and then it should be done. So I stacked on top of our baseboard. It's 5180 baseboard. That's just the it's a 5.5 inch baseboard with a detail on top. I was gonna change the baseboard out to 1x6 in here, but I didn't feel like doing that, so we're just gonna stick with on top. Might have looked a little better if you went all the way down or just stacked it on top of 1x6, but we just did it this way. So I'm do a nice fancy cut here. So this goes into the wall. This is a 45-degree cut that slides into the back of this trim. And then I notch it for the top. And I'll do a nice little caulking and sanding here. And I'll sand the seam and caulk it down too. Punch all the nail holes in. So yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, so we're back here with the diamond wall layout. Got a couple more diamonds put in, but I wanted to focus on this. So I've got a run coming from here, from the ceiling, going down to here, and this electrical box is in the way. Unfortunately, the 1x3 I have won't give me enough room to cut out the box in the actual run. So I'm gonna make a box, and then I'll make these smaller cuts to butt into this box, along with this long cut to butt in. So it'll be a little bit more of a pain in the butt, but I think it'll look the best. So I just glued up this little picture frame light switch box, and then I'll bring this out. You gotta make sure you gotta get long enough screws now to reach the back outlet box to tighten that down. You wanna make sure you have these catching the edge a bit, but not too far down to cover up your through hole for the attachment to the back box. So, and then after that, I'll just put the plate back on. It'll look good as new. What's up, everyone? Back at it with a diamond accent wall. I've got it all primed and ready to go. Just need to paint it. Gonna go with like an emerald green for the whole wall. The wood and the wall is gonna get painted. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, so here's the final product. Nice deep emerald green to finish it off. Turned out pretty well.